Yeah, welcome back to Live for the Experience. And it's day two. Day two.
Oh, you don't mean nothing at all to me.
I hope you're hearing me, but today we're in the pool. We were trying to get a cabana, but they're all taken. It's like persons come down here at like 6 o'clock in the morning to put their towel on it. Let me show you. So they come down early and just put the towels on it and so nobody else don't. Well, principle is don't lay down on it, and you know, respect that. You know, no conflicts. You know. But anyway, I'm finna go take a little dip in the pool. This is the pool area. It's a big ass pool. I'm gonna see if I could get like an aerial for y'all so you could see the pool. But anyway, I'm gonna take me a little swim. So I'll see y'all in the next shot. Me say, after me well feel excited, so me I go on to water slide. The man tell me say, well not the man, when the lifeguard told me that it's just for kids. Anyway, right now we're going to the lazy river. Oh my god, yeah, I got my hair wet. This is a mess. But anyway, I'm about to jump back in. I went up to get like this water case, this phone case, so I could take the phone in the water with me. So anyway, let's go and see.
I know. See, I'm looking for the exception. You have to. If you can use language, you really need to convert it into mathematics.
Hey y'all, so we left the lazy river. We came back to the room. We're going outside. It's around almost 12 o'clock or 12 o'clock right now, and we're gonna get lunch probably at like one of the little sheds that sell like jerk chicken or burgers or whatever. So yeah, let's go. At 3 we're supposed to go to bowling. Apart from that, we have any other plans? Pool again, and the hot tub like probably around 5, and then probably around 6 start getting ready for dinner. I'm gonna give this jerk lunch a 4 out of 10. The jerk sauce tastes like soy sauce, and the yam need little salt. You know when I eat the roast them, you sprinkle little salt on it. You know, get little yeah, sausage alright, but the chicken without the sauce has no taste. But this coconut, not bad. Got some food. I'm gonna take up to my room. So we could have it like later, like just before dinner or so, when you get hungry, because some of these food places they close at 2 or around like 2:30, and then you have to wait until like 6. It's 6 o'clock dinner start, right? 6:30 to eat dinner. In the mirror, y'all, and we're heading to bowling now, so see you down there. What you saying, so this is the second to last outfit for real now. So heading to dinner in a little dressy dress. And yeah, we're going back to Martha's that we went to for breakfast because the food is just nice there. And we have a lot of options, so why not? So anyway, let's go. So we have completed dinner. And now we came upstairs to the piano bar, which is like the most beautiful little quiet but musical place, like peaceful. It's like a whole like library museum, upper class vibe going on. What a wonderful world. So yeah, we're heading to the disco now to see if we survive and all of that. So yeah, this is gonna be probably second to last clip. I'm gonna show you all a little bit of the disco and end the video there because that's the last thing we're gonna do tonight. And so yeah, let's go. Let's end day 2 on a high.